Now you all know that I love me a blunt cut bob, especially Yaki straight. We got a little pop of color and some bangs. This one was a put on and go beginner friendly unit. So let's go ahead and get into this one. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are getting into this banged unit from luvmehair. So first, I'm just going to start off by giving you all the specs of this unit. We'll look at the construction. I'll show you everything that came in the box, and then we'll go ahead and install this unit. So this is luvmehair's put on and go blonde highlighted Yaki straight blunt cut bob. It is glueless, minimal lace, and it is a short wig with bangs. So this unit is 10 inches long. It comes in 10 inches, 12 inches, and 14 inches. It's 180% density. Yes, it is glueless, medium cap size, so 22.5 inches. 100% human hair. The color is a blonde highlight. It is minimalist lace, so lace just right there at the tippy top just to give the scalp illusion. And price for the 10 inch is $129.90, plus, you know, I have you covered with the promo code. My new promo code is SNH01, 32% off. So here is the unit. Let me go ahead and just show you the construction really quickly. So inside construction, we have two combs right here in the front of the unit. We also have one comb here in the back. We have the adjustable straps. And then also that little bit of lace right here at the top of the unit. So that is it. No lace to like spray or glue down. This is the unit. All right, so now let's go ahead and take a look at everything that came in the box. So we do have an elastic band, and this goes in the inside of the unit. So I'm gonna keep this handy because I will be putting this on the inside. Now this is the elastic band with the Velcro. Since we're not melting any kind of lace, we're not going to be utilizing this today. Also, we have two pieces of lace tape, a pack of HD wig caps, a luvmehair air freshener, a wig box label, a purple mesh bag to help store our unit, and this little card here that's a thank you letter, how to care for the hair, return policy, wig care guide, so all these great little tips here. So let's go ahead and install this elastic band in the inside of the unit. So it does have this like silicone on it to help adhere to our head. Now in the inside of the unit, we do have these little loops here. So all I am going to do is just slide through the loop. So just slide it through the loop. And there it is. And do the same thing on the other side. So just sliding it through the loop. One thing that I am noticing about this unit is that we do have the traditional ear tabs, so no C-shaped ear tabs on this unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and just install, and I am going to start by placing the elastic band around the back of my head, as so. And my hair is just braided down under this new wig cap. This is not the HD wig cap or anything. It really doesn't matter because it's just that little tiny bit of lace at the top. So I'm gonna insert this comb right there in the nape of my hair. And then straighten this up because what is going on? All right, so you just kind of want to line this up to look kind of like in the middle of your head. All right. Now, even though these are traditional ear tabs, I will say that they fit comfortably around my ear. But I am going to have to flat iron this unit because this is just what it looks like just straight out of the box. Bangs are every which way, but we are going to fix that. I love the length of this unit too because it's barely like hitting my shoulders. Absolutely love that. So I'm gonna go ahead and heat up my flat iron, and then we are going to just slightly bend the hair. All right, so I already ran the flat iron over this side, but I'm gonna do this side on camera. I also did the back off camera, but I'm gonna do this side on camera just so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. Now the key to a bob like this is you do not want to put a Easter Sunday church bump in it. No, we are just going to slightly bend the hair. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. So I'm just bringing down layers of the hair, and this is my bio-ionic flat iron, and I am just going to slightly bend it. No church bump. You see how that is? Just a bend. That is it. And I'm just going to continue that up the rest of this side of the unit. All right, so now let's go ahead and work on these bangs. So with these banged units, I really don't cut the bangs. I just will slightly move the unit back a little further because my forehead is only a snap long. So just push it back just a little bit if it's in your eyes, but doing the same exact thing on the bangs. So just putting a slight bend into it. Okay, so with the top of this unit, I'm just going to take a little bit of Sebastian hair shaper spray, and this is a light holding spray. I'm going to spray it right here in the palm of my hands and then just smooth it down here at the top. That way we don't have to use a hot comb or anything. Let me push this back just a little bit on this side. Here we go. All right, guys, so that is it for this install. I'm going to turn around so I can show you all angles. So of course, the front. Here is the side. Back, and again, the length is so absolutely perfect, just right at the shoulders. Side again. And front. So here's a close-up of those bangs, this lace at the top, and again 100% glueless. There's no lace to glue on this unit. Very much so a beginner-friendly unit. Now with luvmehair, I have tried this style of unit, so this bob with the bangs. I've tried it in a burgundy color, a natural black color, also like the, what is it, the ash blonde color, brown highlighted. So the brown highlighted where it's just like blatantly cut like this, and then also the brown highlighted where it had the face frame. So this one does not have a face frame. Of course you can add that, but this one is just completely blunt cut right here at the shoulders. And again, 10 inches, 12 inches, and 14 inches, but this one is the 10-inch length. So texture is still there. So the blonde is not in the bangs. So it's only on the rest of the unit. So the sides and the back. We don't have the blonde right here in the bangs, which I kind of like because it's like a different look. Plus, like if you're in the corporate environment, like it's not a lot of blonde just like looking straight at you. Like you have a subtleness to it, which I really, really like. But here is a close-up of this Yaki straight texture. Lower luster, very, very soft and flowy and just gorgeous. I love the Yaki straight texture. It just mimics relaxed hair or a silk press very, very well. Very pretty units. Love this, love this. Love that it is beginner friendly. All you have to do is take this unit out of the box. I forgot to install these front combs, but this unit is not going anywhere. We have the back comb in, we have the adjustable straps, we have the elastic bands. So if you don't want to wear the front combs, you don't have to. I forgot. Usually I would install those, but this unit is very, very, very secure. Very beginner friendly. Just take it out of the box, bump it, not bump it, put a bend in it, not a bump, a bend, and you're good to go. Or if you even wanted to wear it like super duper straight, like given Egyptian queen princess, then that would also be a cute look as well. You could throw some curls in it. You could do a face frame. It's a lot of possibilities with this unit. It may not look like it's very versatile, but it is so versatile. But that is pretty much it for this review. I hope you all enjoyed. This one wasn't going to be a long one at all because this one is definitely a throw on and go unit. But make sure to check out the description box. I'm going to put a link to luvmehair's website, a link to this gorgeous put on and go blonde highlighted blunt cut bob with bangs unit. Of course, my promo code, which is SNH01, 32% off any unit you purchase from LuvMehair. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, send a friend, and I will see you all in the next video.